I did. Let's get it.
You see me? Shut up. Turn it down, bro. I'm trying to make my video.
I did. Let's get it.
Turn off your.
Let's get it here. Food review.
Damn, can you even see me there?
Yeah, but they can see. They can see.
Okay, I'll use my light.
Oh, shoot.
Alright,
Okay.
Let's get it, Caesar.
Jimmy, take off.
we'll take off the pickles then.
Oh, what is that? Big boy, what they put on your... Yo, big boy, what they put on your burger? Chicken. Okay, is it recording?
Yes.
Yep.
It's been recorded.
Go. I tried this professional.
No.
Okay. Okay. Hey guys. I'm with the camera. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Super chest. Okay, look. Turn it down. Turn the fucking video.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Look, I have to make. I was trying to get the McRib from McDonald's, but they didn't have it there, so I have the McChicken. So it's a spicy.
Chicken.
It's the spicy one, so I'm
Get it right. What it tastes like?
Is it busting in?
Yeah, what's that sauce on it? Is that cheese, Daniel? What is
Cheese
it?
and ranch.
Mustard?
Mustard.
What it tastes like?
Bro,
Go. Come on.
hold up, I'm not trying to joke.
Oh.
It's not even that spicy, bro.
Tell us the details.
Okay. It's like a weird version of ketchup, like a spicy version of ketchup.
What's your spicy ketchup?
It's spicy ketchup then.
I mean, there's probably other stuff in
What
there.
does chicken taste like? Try the chicken by itself.
Dry.
Dry.
It's alright. I mean, the Popeyes ones and
Yeah.
Speed
KFC,
busting.
they're all better, bro.
Where you like that, bro?
In the McDonald's, but I was expecting that the McDonald's one just to be what's it called? Like I thought the chicken would actually be like spicy, not just have sauce on it.
Just like nothing. The sauce overpowers everything.
Yeah, that's not what power is. It's just like
It just
I
doesn't-
thought the chicken would be the spicy part, not the sauce. End the video. I'm done.